Alright guys, so it's officially track day. Me and my brother have both been kind of prepping, getting ourselves ready for the track. He is hoping for a 11.9 and I'm hoping for a 14.9. A little bit of a difference. Civic is it's a D16 non-VTEC. It's on 8 pounds on an eBay kit. It's on a base map from phearable.net.
Alright, you got this time. Nice. Go. $15.2 at 92. You got the vet. Got it. Ooh, nice. 15.1. 95. Alright, Bo. So what are we about to go do?
I'm about to race my brother's car. I'm not liable for nothing. Fucking send it.
It's automatic. How bad could it be?
Oh, I'm gonna neutral slam it.
I caught you on video saying that.
I can edit that out.
So, you gonna do it or what? Yeah. It's only automatic. Just both hands on the wheel and
pedal to the metal.
Pedal to the metal. Don't let off. Nervous?
12.
We got faith in you, Bo. I seen the 11 in you. Ooh, I'm scared. Alright.
Go, Bo.
Come on, Bo. He's about to get yelled at again. Oh. Where's the Honda? Where's the Honda?
Wow, fucking bird. You said that shit now. The mile an hour went up.
Hey, folks said, oh, the Honda's my daily. That's not what it said.